For Safer Cities directive by our DILG Secretary, and at the same time the direct instruction of our Chief PNP, Police General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. and our Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Dindo Reyes, at ganun na rin sa effort ng ating Provincial Director, Police Colonel Jomar Q. Labiano. We have implemented starting the April 6 pronouncement up to this last week of April. um, Meron po tayong mga violators na na-apprehend at natiketan, especially for example in drinking in public, meron po tayong 95. Yung roaming the streets half naked, yung wala pong damit sa itaas, meron po tayong 35 violators. May curfew on minors din po, ito yung may pinakamalaking numero po sa atin. Meron tayong 758 violators. Meron din po tayong video of nuisance violators, yung kumakanta beyond the allowed time, which is 10. And at the same time, nag-implement din po ang ating mga police station ng Oplan Bulabog sa mga streets po, especially dito sa Lawag and Batak natin during this covered period ng mga oras po, especially during night time sa ating streets.
Bakit po kaya marami pa rin pong nahuhuli, uninformed?
Siguro it's a mixture of not knowing the activity, and at the same time ito na rin yung kinagisnan nila kasi nga hindi pa natin masyadong ini-implement to dati. However, the advent of this existing pronouncement, at the same time meron na din po tayong existing na mga batas with this district enforcement of the laws pertaining to this kind of illegal activities during nighttime, ay nagkakaroon po ng magandang result. At the same time, kung titignan po natin yung statistics, hindi po siya ganun karami compared to the metro cities like Manila na umabot po ng libo-libo. This is just but minimal number for the province po natin. Kasi for example, tignan nyo, 758 for minors compared to cities na metro cities, naabot pa talaga ng 20 to 50,000. Yes, meron po tayong video okay nuisance na naganap dyan sa Bacara and Solsona. Nireklamo po ito ng mga kabaranggayan nila or their neighbors because of too much noise. Yan po yan sa ating video okay. When we speak about nuisance kasi, as provided by our laws, this will incur an unnecessary, unpleasant action towards the public or everybody else, which in later on, for example, tong nuisance, it doesn't speak about really about noise, but nuisance per se, yes, nagkakaroon siya ng annoyance sa tao. So ito, for example, itong video okay, kahit sabihin natin kumanta sila ng daytime, but it cause annoyance to the general public or the general populace of that particular residence, pwede pa rin pong ireklamo yung tao. Itong pong video okay nuisance natin ng gabi, especially during night time, may mga bayan po kasi tayo dito na pinoprohibit yung too much noise from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. the following day. Ito po yung 10. At itong curfew on minors po natin, we ensure that the minors are delivered properly to DSWD and the parents or guardians are well informed pertaining to this kind of rescue for them.